negative number times a negative number equal a positive?
This is a totally valid question for reasons I'll explain later, but let me first try to start with an explanation. I don't think anybody is confused by the idea of a negative number times a positive is negative. So we just assume that negative 16, that's negative 1 times 16, negative 2 is negative 1 times 2. So if we just multiply those two together, this is the example in the video, we get negative 1 times 16 times negative 1 times 2, which we can rearrange to get that we get negative 1 times 32. Mathematicians in Europe pre-1700s just didn't deal with negative numbers in this way, so having a little bit of confusion is totally normal. The first mathematician to formalize what this was Newton, and he said, well, multiplying by something negative means you're taking it away, and a negative number represents debt, so if you take away debt, you now gain more money. I find examples dumb though, so it turns out that if you just take the basic rules of algebra, like these sorts of rules, any system with these rules has to have negative times negative positive.